is turn your TV on. It's spelled D-I-V-I-N-E. And now put some music on. And now watch the video. You can go to your room and you can hear it out here. You can hear the song. And you can hear your thing.
So this is what you're going to do.
Hey, Mommy, I want pink, Mama. I love pink. I want purple. You want purple. Mommy,
I'm going to do it in the small one.
Mommy, I want to do it in my big one.
Fill it up.
Mommy, put pink in mine. I'm going to put it in there.
We're going to hold it for 2 minutes.
Jump it down. Jump it down.
Okay.
Mommy, my turn. I need a big one that I can pour it all in. Okay. You just put all the way in there? Yeah, put all of it.
Just as much as can fit, and you can mix your colors.
I'm just mixing pink together.
Now, Layla, you have to pour the green one into that red one. Good job, Divine.
I'm gonna make me a ball.
Let it go. Let it go. Is it floating?
Yes, it's floating. Wait, yours is in there. Let's see if yours is in there. Okay, guys. I need some more. Mommy, I think I need pink and purple. Wait, I need pink. Oh. It's floating. It's floating. Hey, that's supposed to be in there too. It's not done being a ball yet. Mama! Let me yours. Oh! I want to make another one.
Put yours in there, Layla.
What? This?
Yep. Good job.
It's getting bigger. Okay, now this one. What's green? Let's take this out. Mommy, look, I take mine out. Mommy, I take mine out. Hey, Mikey, open this. Mikey, open this, Mama. Mommy, I take mine out. Look. Look at mine, Mama. Oh, rainbow blue. Mikey, take this one out. Mikey, take this one out. Let me check yours, Devon. No, Layla.
So you have to let them rest.
Layla, give that.
You have to let them rest.
Hey, Mommy, I want to make another one, Mama. No. Whoa. Gosh, Jesus Christ. Oh, my God. Everybody. Wait, Ma, you blocking everybody on the camera. We gotta be watching this on Daddy's TV. Hey, Mommy, I want to do another one, Mama.
We are.
Hey, Ma, can we put this in the freezer? Why don't we put it in the freezer?
So they have to rest for 10 minutes.
Yes. And now they can bounce, okay? Look, everybody, I make a rainbow coloring ball.
Yes, that is really pretty.
And I make this rainbow ball. And I'm in this one the crown. How will we do one? Hey, Mommy, I think I need to use... Mommy, I think I need to use blue. Okay, let's put it upside down. Look, they have to bounce from.
Go.
I'm going. Oh man, I started sneaking peanut butter jelly sandwich. It tastes good. I'm never gonna. Mine is breathing. Mine, look, it's finished. It's finished, Mama.
Look at all of that gooey slime.